was trying to take a chance. He was looking at all of them today. He was watching their little pattern. There was so many of them. He's been watching them for days. See the cat coming back. Okay. That's really good. Yeah, you're right. She hopefully have a problem with that. You see them like getting fast and they maneuvering things to hopefully get around you while pushing buttons.
What you're gonna have to do is when you wanna start getting shit at night, you're gonna have to get like another one of the tripod and twist that little light onto it, and so you can have light. You're trying to get shit at night time. So the nigga ain't standing here like this.
What light did he keep talking about?
The same lights we using, RGB lights. We're using all the time in the smokers. I have one over here.
Squares, but go in a strobe and
Yep, I got a long one that you can use even better. It's about this long. And then you set it on the tripod and it's set up. It's right here where you need it.
Looks like a laser light.
Yep. See, all this shit comes in handy, bro. When you're doing this kind of shit.
And you said you know on the tripod, because
Yeah,
there's little holes in it.
Yep, you got the 383 at the bottom of that jump. Screw it on there. 383 is that little big jump.
Okay. You said 383.
Yep, just tie it onto the bottom of that joint. Let the tripod up a little bit so as long as you want to get it. And shit, there you go. You got a light.
He took a chance on the beat. See how he gets below the flowers now? So he can, he
caught him. He was
around the flower at him.
Yeah, he caught him when he was turned to the side.
They're buried in the. I think that's why he's not watching that. Okay, they can't see. They got a blind spot when they're buried, just like the moths.
When you get them from the side, they sting over here. You can't get to them.